and welcome back to my channel. I'm working on some festive recipes you can make over weekends with the festive season coming up. And if you're just entertaining, these are easy, simple, wholesome, delicious recipes. Don't go by my look because I'm in my pajamas because I am heading to a friend's birthday. Hopefully you'll watch this video till the end because I will try and take you with me, show you a glimpse of what is going on there. But I am making a delicious South Indian inspired chicken curry with lovely flavors and super simple. So let's start cooking with that, and while that's cooking I'm going to quickly change and hopefully it'll be done by then. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. Let's get cooking. So this, I loosely say South Indian, and which is very wrong of me, but I have got South Indian friends living here in the UK and I've had this curry with them, and I've obviously changed it a little bit, which is why I don't want to call it like a Tamil style, though it's inspired by that. And it's just got the warming spices with the season changing. And usually, you know, I love chicken on the bone, that's my thing, but my son doesn't, and because I'm going out I thought I'll make him boneless chicken curry this time. So it's a nice peppery chicken curry. Let's do it. Okay guys, so to start the chicken, I have got here 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic chopped up roughly. I chopped it up, and then to this I'm going to add a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of salt. Also going to add 2 tablespoons of, I'm just using sunflower oil here, and then I just give it a mix because this is the simple marinade for the chicken, guys. So now this is ready, move it aside, and here I bring the chicken out. So as always, my butcher has given me boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I've got, he kind of arranges them as well. So I've got 10 chicken thighs, which is going to be good for 4 to 5 people. So what I'm going to do is just chop it up. You know, I like to neaten the thighs, get rid of the extra fat. I don't like this, but you can do how you like or prefer. And then once I have neatened these up, I am going to chop this into chunks. So let's say, yeah, 1 inch, kind of a little bigger than 1 inch size pieces. So 6 from one thigh. I'll do the same with all the 10 pieces. So chicken is done and it just goes straight into the marinade. Now if you have time, you remember, and you're planning a big feast for whatever reason, if you can do this overnight, then that's great. I can't because I am cooking. So leave it to marinate for as long as you can. If it's chicken on the bone, then definitely an hour at least overnight is perfect. So I will do this for half an hour because that's all I have. Very turmeric-y. Leave this aside for half an hour and start prep on the onions. So before I start anything on here, I'm going to make a lovely spice blend. So I've got a tablespoon of black peppers, and then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and I'm also going to do 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, and I'm just going to give it a few minutes. Also going to do a teaspoon of cloves, good 4 to 6 dried red chilies. Break it up so it's easier to roast, and then I'll just give it, let's say 2 minutes. Basically you just stay here. Once it gets aromatic and starts to change color, you know it's done. I'm gonna crush it in a pestle and mortar. You know I like that more than the spice blender. So I'll give it a few minutes, then I'm gonna crush this. Turning this off, I'm gonna take it straight to the pestle and mortar. I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes until it's cooled down so I can crush it. In the meantime, I need the pan back because I'm gonna start cooking the onions here. So I'm gonna get good 3 onions, and I'm just gonna thinly slice them up because I want to be able to see the onions in the dish, in this dish particularly. So I've got nice hot pan, a couple of tablespoons of oil, a teaspoon of mustard seeds. You need to let them pop. Then curry leaves, and then the onions. Now reduce the heat to medium and cook this for a good 8 minutes or so. And while the onions are cooking, I'm going to just chop up a couple of tomatoes. 10 minutes in, this is beautifully golden. I've been cooking it on medium low heat. I'm going to add the tomatoes to it, and I'm going to give this another kind of 6-7 minutes at least, so the tomatoes have softened up. And in the time that this is cooking, I am just going to crush the spice mix, because this has cooled down. So this is now ready. See, the reason I love this is it kind of breaks it up. It doesn't make it like a smooth powder, which I love in the spices. So that's why pestle and mortar works perfectly for me. I'm going to move this on my big hob because I want to do like a high heat cook of the chicken. So this has been cooking for 5 minutes. It's slightly softened up, which is good. Now I'm just going to throw in the chicken. Here's the lovely chicken. And it just goes in. Now this goes in on high heat, by the way. I want a little bit of color on the chicken, guys, that's why. So I'm gonna not move it for a couple of minutes so it gets a bit of color. And as you've seen, I've moved it to the high heat. Let's check it out. Oh, perfect, look at that. Beautiful. That's just what I was looking for. Now I can move it back to normal heat, otherwise my spices will burn. So back to regular full heat. I'm going to add the spices. And I'm going to add 100 ml of boiling water to this in 2 minutes time. Okay, so that was 100 ml of boiling water. I don't want too much water. I just want enough so it doesn't dry out and the spices don't burn. That is all I'm looking for. So what it needs is cooking down. Sorry, the chicken to be cooked. So I'm gonna lower the heat to low and cook this. Because it's skinless, boneless, it wouldn't take longer than maybe 15 minutes. So I'm gonna give that. Ta-da-da! I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I do often do that. I actually like to cook. If I'm going on my own, I like to cook something for the kids before I leave. Right, this is ready. In the 15 minutes I had, this is cooked. I'm just reheating it so it's nice and steamy. I could smell it upstairs, to be honest. Look at that. See, that's why you didn't need any more water. Too much water and it would be like swimming in the curry. Oh, beautiful. And I have got some onions that I made for dinner last night. Just lemon juice, red onions, salt and pepper, a bit of chili powder, and they go perfectly with this dish. All I can say is that it's a shame I have to go out for lunch because this smells incredible. Sia's gonna have this plate of food, and yes, you can use a knife and a fork or a spoon to eat this, but the best way to eat this is by hand. It's so hot. Oh, delicious. Spicy. That's beautiful, and it's going to be so difficult to stop this. It tastes so different to my North Indian chicken curry, like so different. The combination of spices is very, very warming. The throat will start warming up. It's delicious. I have to stop, or maybe one more bite. Guys, make this for any weekend, your festivals. Try, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna go. I'll take you with me and tell you what I ate instead of this. So let's go to my friend's party. Right, here's the food. Gulab jamun, rice, sambar, vada, chutneys, and there is some dosa being made fresh outside. I'm gonna go check it out. What is he making? Ooh, can I also have a dosa, please?
What dosa you want?
Oh, same as this, thank you. so cold, so it's great to have some piping hot dosas. Oh, yeah. Some snacks and some sweets, but also there is a cake.